What do we need? Help for Kachin! Help for Kachin! What do we need? Peace for Kachin! Peace for Kachin!
Members of the Kachin ethnic group protested outside the United Nations General Assembly in New York, urging President Thein Sein to respond to the crisis in Kachin State in Northern Burma. Civil war has ravaged Kachin State since a ceasefire broke down in June last year. The continued fighting has left thousands dead and displaced around 90,000 people. The rally was organised by the Kachin Alliance, who demand an end to the war in Kachin State through peaceful talks, not fighting, and to allow aid to reach internally displaced people along the Burma-China border. The group called on the UN to send personnel to the conflict zones to observe the current crisis. The protest occurred as Thein Sein addressed the UN General Assembly, where he spoke about the ongoing reforms in the country and pledged to forge a peaceful solution in Kachin State.